At this moment, I want to sing one gospel song. The name of that song is The Lamb of God. You are my strength when I am weak. This song is so much inspiration for my life. This song can change my life. So it is a joyful for me to sing this song. You my strength when I am weak. You rest treasure that I sing. You my holy hope. Singing you are separation you. Lord you give up, I feel full. You're my holy hope. Thinking my sin, my cross, my sin, rising again, I bless your name.